Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at Ross looking at their home decor. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see what they have on sale here at Ross. And while I'm doing that, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, do you guys see this little scooter bike or whatever that, that little motorcycle bike? I don't know. It's so cute. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.